Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am doing a really quick project in the garden here this afternoon. I went to my feed store today to pick up some bunny feed and chicken feed and all of that. And they had all of their bonnie plants for free because they're half dead. So I went ahead and picked up a couple herbs, and I figured I would get them planted in my little tiered garden here real quick, and hopefully they'll come back to life for me for the rest of the season and give me some nice herbs that I can dry. So I got, let me show you. So I got a peppermint, but this needs to go in a pot because peppermint, or any mint variety, will travel and take over any space that you plant it in, so it needs to be contained a little bit. So that'll go in a pot. But then I also got Italian oregano, garden sage, some Greek oregano, and some rosemary. But as you can see, they've just been neglected. So I'm going to prune away all of the dead stuff off of these, get them planted, get them a nice drink of water, and then hopefully they'll perk back up and give me some nice herbs this season. We shall see. Let's get them planted. So we got the rosemary planted, the Italian oregano, the sage, and the Greek oregano. And I need to finish filling up this top part, and I might plant some marigolds around the top. And then I need to find a pot for the peppermint. But the herb bed is pretty much done. I'm not sure what I want to put in the lower corners. Filling this in might be a next year thing. But for right now, these few herbs should be sufficient. But alrighty guys, so that wraps up this little project for the day. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.